Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Aquarians. Wow. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for Aquarians. Okay. Still, I'd like to take one more card for Aquarians. Message from the universe for Aquarians. I think both the cards wanted to come out, so I have included both of them. Okay, so Aquarians, you started off something from the root level, sort of. Perhaps it was a new beginning. At least it promised to be a stable and long term, but it didn't happen. What I am getting here is the sooner it started, the sooner it ended, whatever it was. Okay, so there was something very, very promising according to you. It was a new beginning, and you felt that it will be there long term in your life, whatever this was, but it ended. It has ended. Okay, but the thing is, you need to be vigilant as to what is still there in your life. With the Four of Cups, the problem is that you are, whatever has ended, but the thing is, there are still opportunities over there. There is still something which universe is offering you. There is something still there around you which perhaps you are reluctant in taking because you are very upset about the situation as to what has ended. Maybe you are reluctant because you are scared to repeat the same mistake. Maybe you are scared that it will end again. That is why you are not taking this fresh start or a fresh beginning. You are too upset, too closed off. But yes, you just need to look around and realize as to, yes, perhaps this is what you thought would materialize. It didn't. But then there is something else which perhaps life wants you to take and move ahead with. Okay, so there is some sort of reluctancy in accepting whatever is coming your way. But what I see here is that in spite of that reluctancy, now this can be a person, it can be anything over here. Okay, it can be any opportunity, it can be a situation, it can be a person over here. Okay, so basically you are reluctant in starting something new. It can be a new relationship. But here with the Knight of Swords, what I feel is that though you are reluctant over here, but then immediately you just it's like just like immediate change of energy, and you just feel like rushing towards the situation or this person, and you do that. You are doing that. Perhaps you will take that time to come over this depression of yours, of this reluctancy of yours. But then once you set your mind, after giving that time which is required, perhaps you need to take, and then I see that you are rushing over here towards something or someone. Okay, and perhaps you have see, it can be that also, that things are being offered to you by the universe. Things are still there which you need to have a look at and accept. Okay, and though, and perhaps there are even many opportunities over here. There are many people. Maybe there is some sort of confusion also in taking a decision, but you do rush in. You do move forward. You do set your eyes on. You're able to take a decision. You have that clarity as to what to do, what not to do. You will gain it perhaps with some time. Maybe you need some time to come over this thing what has ended. Okay, but then ultimately you have many other options, as I've said over here also. You just need to have a look. Okay, and these options may be very lucrative also, they may be very appealing also. You just need to decide as to whom to move towards or what to move towards, whatever this is, person or a thing or a situation or a career opportunity. But then you will be able to, you will have that clarity in your mind, and you will clear the air. That's what I'm getting. You have that clarity, you'll clear the air, and you will rush in towards this person or a situation. Now this is something which is long term and committed. If it is a relationship, then it is a marriage, then it is something long term, it is committed, it is stable, it is marriage or equivalent to marriage, it's something long term and stable. If it is a situation which is about a career or something, then still it is giving you solid foundations, it's going to give you a long lasting commitment, it will be there. That's what I'm, it will be there for you. Whatever this is for you, it will be there. This one will be there. This one which you thought perhaps was yours, this thing has ended, this situation has ended. Okay, now here it can be a commitment, at least a commitment, but it is a commitment for marriage, a long term relationship. That's what I'm trying to say, a long term foundation which is solid, which is stable over here. And one more thing is coming over here is that since there is a lot of confusion over here, it can be one more thing that you need to seek some sort of a guidance also. Maybe you need to take a help of an elderly person as to decide as to what to choose. Okay, whom to choose, what to choose, it can be that also. Maybe you are taking an advice from somebody senior to you. Okay, it can be that also, but whatever it is, it will be stable and committed, whatever comes now. And here with the Ten of Pentacles and with the Lovers and with the Ace of Swords, for most of you what I feel here is it is a commitment which is it, with the Lovers card, it is definitely a relationship, but lovers also can be two options. It can be two options. So maybe you're choosing something, but for most of it, two options in the sense you have to decide as to how to move forward, what to do. It's something like that. But for most of you, what I feel is it is a relationship, because here with the Ten of Pentacles, it is a family, it is a commitment. You're starting a family, at least you're planning a family, at least you want to have a family with this person. And with the Lovers and with the Ace of Swords, I think it is definitely a new beginning. So for most of you, I feel it is a commitment which is coming in for a relationship which is long term, committed, and even a marriage. With the Queen of Spades over here, you need to be intelligent and wise over here. You need to have that intelligence and wisdom, because once you have faced this situation where things have ended and you thought they will be stable, so there has been something over here which you perhaps overlooked or you didn't realize, but it has ended, it's okay. But then you need to be very vigilant and careful about what now you are deciding. Okay, and if required, you can take a opinion from somebody more experienced or senior to you. Okay, but yes, you need to be intelligent in what you choose. You have to be intelligent in what you choose. The guidance from the angels, Three of Thought. Loving angels surround you to heal and comfort you. The sadness you feel will fade away with time. That's what I said. You will, it will take some time. Take your time, and then you will be able to decide. The sadness you feel will fade away with time, and then you will be able to see clearly how important this situation has been for your spiritual growth. So whatever has ended, you will realize that it had a lesson to teach you. Okay, and you must have understood as to why. As I feel, it can be that you ignored something, you didn't realize, you thought it was long term, it wasn't. So obviously some mistake has been done over here. So that's what you need to learn. It was a lesson for you. You will be able to see as to how important this situation has been for your spiritual growth. Take the time you need to forgive yourself and others, so that you can embrace the future with joy. So it involves forgiving if you need to move forward. Seven of Thought, and here it was the Seven of Cups. You have been confused about a situation in your life, and now suddenly everything is very clear to you. What did I say? You will clear the air, you will move forward. Whether the truth was revealed by your angels and disclosed by a friend or discovered on your own, it feels great to be awake and be aware. So this is what you will realize. This is the lesson what you will learn when the truth comes to you. Okay, this is what happened. Okay. it will feel great that you will have learned that lesson. Feel free to ask for time alone if that is what you need. So if you want to take some time alone, you can take the time alone. That's what you are doing. You need to, if you want to have this counseling with somebody, you can take that counseling, and you have to just come out of the situation, whatever the situation is which has been causing you confusion and upsetting you. Number 11 and number 9 may be of some significance for you. Look at your inner strength. You're stronger than you realize. So it will take some time for you, obviously, but you need to understand that obviously you have more strength in you than you think you have. Okay, so deal with it with a lot of strength. Slow down, pause, and allow things to unfold. So that is what you are doing, and that has come out over here also. That take the time, whatever is required, and then make a decision. And here I'm being drawn to this. So definitely, this is a commitment and a relationship coming for some of you, for most of you rather, I should say. Okay, so Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.